I welcome all of you to this wellness workshop titled Master the Mind, Be a Mastermind. We shall now welcome the speaker of the day, Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Dr. Karishma Ahuja is a renowned metaphysical teacher and life coach who trains children and adults on mind power techniques, manifestation tools, forgiveness therapy, and energy cleansing practices. A doctor of philosophy with specialization in metaphysical counseling and a master's in metaphysical sciences, she is also the author of two self-help books, The Healing Power of Gratitude and The Healing Power of Words. Dr. Ahuja has a weekly column in the Hindustan Times where she shares her inputs frequently. And she also shares her inputs for success in online portals like Midday, Tax Guru, Health Site, Women Fitness, and Entrepreneur India, among many others. Dr. Karishma Ahuja, ma'am, I request you to now take over and start this session.
Yeah, you're audible.
Thank you so much. So once again, namaste. Nama. This is not about me. This is about you. It is not about what I need to share with you. It is about what you need to hear at this point in time in your life. And so it is the case with each one of us. As I always begin every session of mine, I request everyone to sit comfortably for a few moments. Let us close our eyes and make a strong intention for today. Let us offer our gratitude to the source energy, the divine power, the universe within us for this opportunity to receive the message that each one of us need to receive today for our own growth, for our own transformation. May our minds be alert. May our hearts be open to get whatever it is that we need to transform our lives for the better. And now let us all take a deep breath. Let's inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. And let us once again open our eyes. Mukam karoti vachalam, pangham langayete girim, yat kripatamaham vande, Paramananda Madhavam. This stotra gives us a very important message. You know what that message is? No obstacle in this world, no challenge we are experiencing today can stop us from achieving our highest good if we believe in that power within us. Mukkam karoti vachalam. This power within us can even make the dumb speak. Pangham langayete girim. It can make even the lame cross the mountain. That is why all of us need to be reminded firstly that we must invest time in connecting with our own selves. Instead of constantly wondering how to fix things on the outside, it is time to connect with this power within us. It is time to spend time understanding our own needs and then aligning ourselves with that power within us, because this power and its grace is so abundant, it can do anything for us. As long as we commit to leading our best life. And so, in this session also, please let us begin with first this reminder that even if we are at this point in time experiencing some challenges, let us hear this session with an open mind. And let us thereafter do everything with an open mind, because there is nothing that we cannot overcome if we truly have the belief and the faith that our good must come to pass. You see, the power of our own minds is really what this journey of life is about. There is a great saying in Ayurveda. If you wish to know what your thoughts in the past have been like, look at your body today. It is an expression, a representation of what you've been thinking about. And it also says, if you wish to know what your body is going to be like in the future, examine your thoughts today. This means that everything that is going on in the mind is finding its expression in our body. And through this body, it is also going into the outside world. This energy within us that is shifting because of our thoughts is also going into our relationships, going into our career plans, going into the execution of our tasks. It is also going into the health of our own body. And so we must spend time to understand how this instrument called the mind is working. And even though we point at the mind in this manner on the brain, we do understand the mind is not here itself. It is in fact all over. Because every time that you are thinking, every cell in your body is vibrating. So the mind is everywhere, every part of your body. Therefore, it is our responsibility to now get focused, to understand how do I now learn how to manage myself better. How do I manage my thoughts? How do I manage my feelings? And how do I go about changing my life for the better? There was a person by the name of W. Clement Stone. He was one of the early motivational speakers in America. You know what was so fascinating about this person? He was one of the first persons, being a business owner, who emphasized on the importance of attitude. Whenever people used to come to him for a job, he used to interview them with a lot of keenness. And one of the things that they observed about him while he interviewed others was that he never bothered about the knowledge or the background that person came with. He looked at something different. You know what that was? That was the attitude of the person sitting in front of him. He often told his own staff, a person with a good attitude is what I desire to see in my own office. Because if this person has a good attitude, it means he has good energy. If he has good energy, it means he can do anything. Even if he doesn't come with that much knowledge, he will be able to learn everything on the job. That is the kind of person I want to hire. That means how we are perceived by others, how we execute our tasks, all of it comes from our own energy and what we call as our vibration. What is this vibration? Every time there is a thought, it is accompanied by a feeling that takes place in the body. And that feeling is what we refer to as the vibration. That is why emotion is often referred to as energy in motion. That is what emotion is. So whenever we feel something, we should stop, pause, reflect. What is this feeling going on within me? If it's a positive feeling, it will bring about a positive result. Why? Every thought that you think, the brain is creating and recalling a picture or a reference about it from your past. And so, in my life, if I want to take charge of my mind, I must work on managing my emotions. If I start cleansing my emotions, if I start working on releasing negative emotions, the old pictures of lack, limitation, hatred, discomfort, loneliness, sadness, anger, slowly and slowly, these pictures start to fade. And the positive emotions that I am now focusing on start becoming more active in my vibration. As a result, the subconscious mind will engage more with these positive images, pictures, and thus it will change my energy and thereby my results. So whatever I have shared with you so far, I could sum up in form of 3 statements. First, every thought has the potential to become a reality. Isn't this true? Today, if we look around, everything around us, the computer, the laptop, the internet, the airplane, everything today that we use, that we observe, that we benefit from was once upon a time only a thought in someone's mind, isn't it? It was almost as a fantasy. They thought about it, but then they also chose to take some action on it. That means whatever we think today has the potential to become a reality. So if you have some dreams, you have some aspirations, you want to achieve some goals, remind yourself, even though it may seem very far-fetched, very difficult, you have no reason to give up on your dreams, because every single thing that today we experience around us was once only a thought in someone's mind.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.